This is a YouTube analytics page. It belongs to a channel with 200,000 subscribers that I purchased for several $1,000s, American dollars, not those other kinds. That number there, that's not how many thousands of views. That's just views, total views, all of them. Welcome to my apocalyptically bad investment decisions. Today we'll be making a YouTube resurrection. You'll need one dead channel, several AI tools, and a complete disregard for your financial well-being. This is the first video in a series I'm calling officially the dumbest YouTube investment, or as I like to think of it, desperately trying to justify my poor life choices. Here we have ChatGPT, the Gordon Ramsay of text generation. Next to it is CapCut, the video editing equivalent of a slightly drunk birthday clown. And finally, some voice generation tools, which are essentially digital impressionists who never quite nail the accent. Together, they'll either save my channel or provide entertaining documentation of my financial ruin. Either way, content. If you're a small business owner who also makes questionable decisions with money, this series is for you. Or if you're just here to watch the train wreck, that's valid too. Very valid. So, you know those YouTube gurus? The ones with the suspiciously white teeth and rented Lamborghinis, screaming about how YouTube is basically a money printer. Just order, mate, they chirp. Passive income, baby. Easy peasy. So, naturally, my genius brain thought, I can do that. Here is the plan. Step 1. Find a channel with lots of subscribers, because more subs equals more money, right? That's math, or something a guru said. Step 2. Give person money. Step 3. Realize all subscribers are essentially digital ghosts who once enjoyed different content, probably something involving cats or things exploding, but have since moved on to haunt other parts of the internet. These subscribers signed up for that, not for my soon-to-be award-winning insights on AI. That's like going to a pizza restaurant and being served nothing but celery. Technically still food, not what you ordered. So I did the logical thing and spent even more money. I hired people with skills, people who promised views, people who, it turns out, were better at promising than delivering. After 6 weeks, I had 2 choices. Button 1, accept defeat, write off my investment, tell people I meant to buy a dead channel as a tax loss. Very believable. Button 2, learn how to make these videos myself with AI before my bank account files a restraining order against me. I chose the second one because I'm what experts call stubborn to the point of financial self-destruction. This is my desktop. Say hello, desktop. He's shy. These folders contain my plan. This one is labelled scripts that don't sound like they were written by a toaster. This one is editing without crying. And this particularly important one is how to make visuals when your artistic ability peaked at stick figures. The plan is simple. I will learn to make videos from absolute zero using these tools. I will document every success, failure and existential crisis. I will time how long each step takes. I will track how much money each tool costs. I will probably develop a caffeine addiction. Too late for that one. If successful, this experiment will prove that anyone can create content with AI assistance. If unsuccessful, it will at least prove that I specifically cannot. In this series, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to write scripts without sounding like you're reading from a user manual for a 1997 microwave, how to edit videos when your patience is shorter than a goldfish's memory, how to create visuals that don't make professional designers want to personally come to your house and confiscate your computer, and how to put it all together in a workflow that doesn't consume your entire existence like some sort of digital black hole. The best part is you'll get to see actual results, not the I made 6 figures doing this, trust me bro kind of results. The here's the actual view count, it's slightly less embarrassing than before kind of results. Real ones, with numbers and emotions, mostly negative emotions, but we're working on that. This is a comment section. It's where you tell me your biggest video creation struggle. Is it not knowing where to start? Not having enough time? Being paralyzed by perfectionism? Having hands that mysteriously turn into tentacles whenever you try to use editing software? One of those is not a real problem. Next video, we're tackling AI script writing. We'll learn how to use these machines to sound like actual humans, which is ironic because I'm already struggling with that myself. If you want to follow along with this experiment, tap that subscribe button with whatever appendage you prefer. I'm not judging. Let's find out together if AI can turn digital trash into content treasure, or at least into something slightly less trashy. The bar is very low. We can step right over it, like this. See you in the next one. Or not. Free will is beautiful that way. Next video. Tuesday at 2:43 PM and 17 seconds Eastern Standard Time. Be punctual.